Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have 9 of Wands in reverse, 7 of Wands in reverse and 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are facing a lot of obstacles today, guys. Maybe in your work, nothing is going according to expectation. Maybe the project, you may see some delays, suspensions, or things work is not getting completed in the expected timeline. And also for some of you, there are people opposing you. You may have a lot of competition in your work situation, guys, and that may push you towards some kind of a difficult situation. You are working hard, doing your best, trying your best to make everything go right, but things are not going as expected, guys. And maybe for some of you trusted some people to help you out or make you come out of these difficult situation. Maybe you trusted them to do something, do the work maybe, or maybe it may be a situation in this relationship. You trusted this person and you felt that they were reliable, but what this person is speaking or doing is telling you otherwise, and you feel that you cannot trust them and they are not reliable today. So maybe they are not what they seem, guys. Maybe in the beginning of this relationship you were seeing each other in a very positive light, but now you don't know what this person is thinking or feeling about this connection. So some kind of problems in this relationship and maybe obstacles in your career situation, guys. And maybe that may be the reason your stress or worries or anxieties are the reason for you making some mistakes. Maybe you may make some mistakes in your work and you're really embarrassed when people find out about that, or you may be doing some mistakes impulsively. Maybe the way that this person loses their trust and belief on you, so you are worried for that. And Cancers, you are in a very stressful time. You don't know what to do or what to say, maybe, and your stress and worry, it's pushing you into some awkward situation. Maybe this person finds out what you have done and you are feeling really guilty today, guys, guilty of whatever you did, some mistakes. You never wished this, but you have done something unintentionally and it is making things worse for you, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it's Chariot in reverse. So with this card, maybe things are not going well, guys. Maybe there may be a lot of arguments and fights you may see in this connection because of your mistakes, or it may be their energy. They are doing something, some mistakes, and they are really guilty for what they did, but whatever it is, things are going in a negative way for you all guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Ace of Cups in reverse. So though you may have offers, opportunities coming towards you, things are not certain, guys. Maybe there are certain things coming towards you, but you need to really do everything possible in your power to hold on to the success you are seeing in your situation, guys, in your career situation. So that is the reading of these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal, your second card and second crystal. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, guys, it is Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you may have some confusion, something bothering you or worrying you. You have gone through a lot, endured a lot, made a lot of sacrifices, but there is uncertainty and confusion today, guys, in your situation, and you don't know which way to go. And maybe today you want answers, you are looking for answers, and this oracle card, it comes with a special guidance, guys, that whatever you are looking for, maybe answers for the troubles or some clarity in a situation, whatever it is, you are getting the answers. And the way of getting that is by letting go of your striving or opinions or your doubts, despair or fears, whatever you have. So you don't need any of it, and there is a guidance waiting for you, reaching you today, and you will see things with a better clarity, guys. And also with this card, guys, there is a special guidance for you all, that divine timing is working for you. So though you would have faced a lot, you would have sacrificed a lot, you would have faced a lot of trials in your life, but whatever it is, whatever the situation may be, guys, divine timing is working, and at the right time, right things will unfold for you. So at that right time, whatever you expect, the answers you are seeking will reach you, guys, and you need not worry. So you just have to wait for it with curiosity, and there is no need to fear or worry today, guys. So just be curious for the way things are going to unfold for you, and even the next step may be the final step towards the answers you are seeking today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card and this crystal, it says the Children of Lyre. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you, all of us, guys, not only you, all of us, we are first of all, we are great souls. We have lived for a long time, and maybe this present life this small lifetime. This is just a part of that long life, long soul life we are having, guys, on this earth. So maybe this is the time we need to understand that in our situation, guys, we are evolving ourselves, we are growing emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So this is one of that journey, and whatever our life unfolds, or whatever journey is unfolding in our life, it is our soul's journey, guys. So we need to go through all that to move towards a greater evolution, a greater change in life. And maybe in your situation you are going through a lot of troubles, maybe stress, maybe. So no matter whatever it is, guys, your suffering and your pain is quickly coming to an end. And maybe for some of you, you have a lot of burdens or responsibilities. So all that is going to end, guys. And also you need to understand that if someone loves you truly, they love you for what you are, not for your form or appearance. So they love you for your true nature, for your true characteristics. For what to say, it will be a soul connection, guys, and it will not be something based on superficial things like beauty or appearance. So maybe today this is a time of assessment whether this person loves you truly. So maybe if they love you truly, it will be love based on what you are, not for what you appear to be. So appearance are not important, and you may have a deeper bonding with this person beyond your appearance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for y'all. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.